Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export record to PDF using Gallery view here in Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Airtable, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Airtable doesn't have a direct export to PDF feature, but of course, we can explore some individual records or a group of records from the gallery view to a PDF format by following a few workarounds. Number one is once you are on the homepage, I want you to go to the bottom left corner of your interface depending on how you set up your Airtable account. There's gonna be a create button here where you can use the gallery view, wherein you can display your records as visual cards that show a large attachment of field of your choosing. All you have to do is click on the plus button, and I'm going to name this as Deep Labs Gallery View. You have three more options at the bottom. You can put in the collaborative, wherein anyone on your organization, if you're working with multiple freelancers, team members, or collaborators, they can edit the configuration. If you choose the personal, only you can edit the view configuration, which means this is very useful if you are like maybe experimenting with data. Lock is if nobody can edit the configuration. All right, we're not gonna do that right now. I'm just going to click on the personal and create a new view. And as you can see, this table is empty. All right. Now, once you are inside the data here, you can of course put in some information such as project tracker, content calendar, and a lot more. All right. So here you can customize the cards. All right. So you can put in as much as detail as you can. You can sort and you can put in some colors if you wanted. All right. So it's all up to you. You can use the tools like manage fields right here. Put in the primary field. Go into rename it as this one. All right. And add a new field if you wanted. For example, that's going to be maybe a checkbox. Add another field for attachment if you wanted. Okay, so now going back here, there's going to be a plus button on the bottom right corner. When you click that, you can start to type in some information. For example, this, you can attach from a file here by clicking this link. You can use the local files, link URL, webcam, Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, Dropbox. I'm using the browse files. Upload a file. Just wait for it to load. Once it's done, just making sure that the file is correct. Okay, you can also leave a comment if you wanted. All right, so this is how you basically export a table here to PDF or a record here in PDF. There's going to be a three dots more option here, like ellipsis buttons. You can send the record. You can send this record via email or print the record. You don't necessarily need to record that, but instead you have the Microsoft print to PDF. All right. You can save as PDF if you wanted. You can choose how many pages you are going to send this to the PDF. Is it going to be all? Odd pages only? Even pages only? You also have the orientation. Is it going to be landscape, portrait, and more settings here? All right. If I click on save as PDF, as you can see, I'm going to save it to my desktop computer. That's one way for you to export tables or any records here on Airtable. All right. Number two option is going to be you can simply go to the Airtable's templates. There's a lot that you can work with. Project management, marketing, product, CRM, and a lot more. All right. Now, we have the media and entertainment. Let's check that. For example, I'm gonna use this specific template, digital video production, because we are a team of individuals who handles the content creation and video uploading here in our Deep Labs channel. So I'm gonna choose this for now, and you would be forwarded here, wherein you can use this template. I'm gonna use this one, right? Video tracker, staff, and a lot more. You can add base if you want, but I'm gonna cancel that. Now wait for it because it's loading and creating the template for you. Now, this is gonna be the, let's rename it as Deep Labs Video Production. All right, so here it is. For example, you can put in as much as information as we can. Now, I'm gonna make it into a different view. I'm gonna use the personal view for now. After that, go to the extensions. All right, and add an extension here. We're going to search for the marketplace, type in PDF. You see? Now there are multiple options for you to choose from. Generate beautiful PDF documents with your records, the PDF less, PDF generator API, PDF.co to PDF generator, generates PDFs from Airtable fields. So there's a lot that you can work with. I'm gonna use the maybe generate beautiful PDF documents with your records, or PDF.com. I'm going to add this extension. Click that, and you would be forwarded here. Just wait for it to load. It'll take a little bit of time. And you need to, what dashboard are you working with? Add extension. I'm gonna click on it. You see, it's adding the extension now. Just wait for it. And you need to have the PDF.co API key. All right. Now, if you haven't already, you might want to create an account here in PDF.co. It's an easy thing to do, and it requires us to get the API key, right? Let me switch back again to the Airtable. As you can see, it requires an API key from PDF.co. Now on PDF.co, I'm going to copy this key. It's a very straightforward process. Paste this in. Click on Save Settings, so you have these options. All right, I'm going to make sure that we have this video tracker, and click on Run. And that's how you basically, you see, it's field created. And that's how you export record to PDF using the gallery view. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.